Hey, what's up with it out there, guys? I am here at AutoZone, a local AutoZone store, and I'm about to pop the hood on this car. I think I need, well, I do need a new. What's going on, buddy?
That's too loud.
Huh? The motor?
Motor.
Oh.
Another one.
On YouTube. What's your name, buddy?
Toby,
Toby? That's what's up. You say you like the car?
I like the car.
What do you like about the car?
It has motors.
The motor? You like the engine?
Yes.
You like that sound?
Bye. What? I love you. Yeah, it is.
Hey, check this out, guys.
Yeah.
We just got pulled over.
This what?
This lady here, she just pulled us over, and she loved the color of the car. She wanted a picture of the car, so now we're here at this gas station. She flagged us down, and here we are. She loves the car.
I love the color of his car. I like strange colors.
Yeah.
Right. You see hers right there. What color is that?
My daughter calls it.
What? That's funny. Oh my god. Yeah, I like that color. It's shiny too. It's bright like mine.
Yeah.
They complement each other.
So is this real expensive to do?
It can be.
Yeah.
Yeah, it can be.
Yeah.
I mean, I paid about $2,600 for this wrap, but there's some wraps that can cost you, 15 grand. Yeah, like those shiny chromes and stuff like that. Yeah.
I can't believe this. This is great.
Can't make this stuff up, guys. Oh, you say what?
What year is that?
Oh, 17.
Oh man.
Yeah. You like the car? The color? What about the color? Color's good? Oh, for sure, for sure.
I like that. You ain't gonna see another one like that, I don't think.
Nah, hopefully, unless they didn't copy mine.
What size engine you got in there?
This a V8, 455 horse.
Looking good, my
Stop.
man.
Appreciate you, appreciate you. Yo, you take care, boss. So, it's a really nice day out. The sun's out, that's why we're riding with the top down, and we're just enjoying the sun and the light, you know?
Yeah.
It's a beautiful day.
Yeah, feel free to take a picture.
I'm going to.
Oh, yeah.
Thanks for taking my picture now.
Yeah.
All right. You're going to be on the blog, too, so.
Pardon me?
I said you're going to be on the blog.
What blog is it?
The YouTube channel is my YouTube page. That's what I'm filming for. Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, you're doing this? This is
Yeah,
what
right here, right now. Yeah.
Hi. It's been a long month or so.
Yeah.
Well, at least you're out on this gorgeous day.
I know, this is, I can't believe this car.
Yeah.
It's just, so do you do this full time?
It's like fun hobby thing, you know.
Oh, it's just a hobby?
Yeah. Fun thing we do. Yeah. Yeah, yeah.
Gorgeous, what a gorgeous day to do this. Yeah.
Hey, like I said, I can't make this stuff up, guys. I just had to film. I get that a lot. People really like this color of this car. It's really bright. It's different. It stands out. And the way it's designed on this car just attracts a lot of attention. I really should do a whole day just riding around and keep this camera running and just get reactions from different people, because it will just blow your mind. Like, so many people are like just waving and they're honking and they're trying to flag you down, like that old lady. It was funny. And she's like, oh wow.
Yeah. She literally was honking. I thought she was like honking at us because she wanted to like go, because we were at a stoplight, and she was just honking. And then he turned around and he looked, and what'd she do? Did she like
in the middle of traffic? She's honking behind it and it's like, hey, like waving and stuff, and then she's like, I want to take a picture of the car. We're in the middle of traffic. There's cars everywhere. This old lady, little cute old lady, she jumps out of her car in the middle of traffic just to get a picture of the car. It's crazy. So we just had a little cool little conversation with her. She's real nice. So how I go. you know, stay tuned for some more. I don't know what we're gonna do next. We're just rolling and just enjoying the day and, you know, having a cool little joy ride, and that's all. We wasn't doing no vlogging, but I had to pull the camera out for that. But stay tuned for more videos and keep rocking and rolling. Hey, what's up with it out there, guys? I am here at AutoZone, a local AutoZone store, and I'm about to pop the hood on this car. I think I do need a new battery. I've been having some issues with the car, driving it around a little bit. It's been acting funny with me on, you know, after I ride it for a few hours, have the heated seats or the cooled seats on, the air conditioner, the heat's on, the music's bumping and blaring or whatever. The car's been giving me trouble starting back up sometimes, so I figure it's a new battery I need. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to buy a new battery. I have to take it to the shop because I don't know how to change this thing, which is really weird. Really tricky. Now here we have the under hood of my Camaro. This is what it looks like under the hood. I have this engine stabilizer bar, I believe that's what it's called. Correct me if I'm wrong. Now I don't see a battery. And I'm not the type of person, especially dealing with car stuff, like some home things I can monkey around with and try to figure it out. Maybe read an instruction manual or watch a YouTube video on how to figure it out. But a lot of this stuff here, like dealing with cars, I got warranty. I mean, I'm not broke, so I can take it to a shop and afford to pay for someone to fix it, so I can do that. So I'm gonna actually pay someone to, well, another shop to actually put the battery in. That's what I'm about to do. So that's what's happening here, man. Y'all see that? It's that cold air intake. I don't know what this actually does, if it gives any better performance to the vehicle or not. Somebody let me know, tell me something if I'm wrong. So I'm about to go get this expensive ass battery, get it changed out, so y'all stay tuned for that or whatever. I'm just blogging because ain't too much else going on, man. It's still quarantine time, and that's what's going on. So I'm about to go grab this battery. Wifey in the car with me, if you can see. Still quarantine time. Set it in the AutoZone, baby. That's it right there, guys. It's a big boy. It's pretty heavy.
All right.
200 bucks for that thing. Batteries in the trunk. The boy Rick decals is back. I really don't like this one too much, but I kind of miss having my YouTube symbol on there so people really know what's going on. But I got what I got. It was cheap. It was the only thing that only place where I can get a decal for the window. I'm actually looking to find some other place too. I'm gonna redo that and get a different one, and I need another one here. I want to put my Snapchat code here. So any ideas, please let me know. Quarantine time got everybody messed up, but we still rocking and rolling. So y'all stay tuned. Yeah, we've been rocking and rolling. Find it.
Rick, killing.
Yeah, see, I ain't even do the research to look and see where it was.
Joe, where's the battery on these?
He don't know either. You know where the battery's at, man?
Man, I don't know nothing that on this joint. This is on my lead right here.
Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Nah, the battery's in here. He said a body. Oh, shit. Oh, man, appreciate it, man.
Doing your thing, man. Get they added motivation.
Right there.
Oh, he right there?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Didn't he hide the battery?
Okay, cool. I hope that thing look like it's gonna fit up in there. It should, better.
You pull
Huh? Okay. I'll put the battery in the back. There it is, 25 bucks. I'm finna handle that expensive ass battery, $240 damn battery. I can bring it back to get that cord an extra 20 bucks. So it's
you want me to look up what I charge you for a battery before we put that one in?
yeah, let's
Give 'em a little speed.
do that. Yeah, that's they like they premium joint though. So
Right.
yeah,
That's what they told you.
yeah. Oh shit.
Well, let me tell you what my premium one is. All premium means is probably how long the warranty runs. Batteries are warranted in full for 4 years, so I'm sure that one ain't even that. And I'm probably about 189.
Okay. Yeah, let's check that out. Then y'all do the core too, or?
It's just done right there. I just keep your old one.
Right. Okay. Oh, for sure. Yeah, check on that for me, man. Y'all see where we at, man. Precision Tune, Auto Care, Oakdale. I've been rocking with them for a minute, man. So I like to hear all the time. Bring a couple cars to it. They take care of me every time. So, y'all in the area, Oakdale, Precision Tune, Auto Care, man. You'll see this guy here, man. He's always here working, getting it in. Yeah, this the guy right here, man.
This spot right here. It's my first time here. This is what I'm coming to every rip.
That's what's up. Yeah, I've been rocking and rolling for a second. But yeah, y'all stay tuned. See, hey, you hear that? Got it on camera. The joint hesitated to start. All because of that battery. All because of that battery. It's a good thing. Now we get on our mission. We go for a walk. Go for a walk to the crib. Get them steps in. It's important. Get young cardio, baby. Yeah.
Another one.
Do you mind if I get to know you? I just wanna show you so.